So I finally decided to take off the tile that was behind the oven, and I came across a very flimsy drywall and couldn't get these tiles off. And here's why. Not only is newspaper next to an electrical socket not good, but also in a kitchen. I'm pretty sure that's not the code.
I'm actually scared to do this. Oh, like what? Why? There better be like gold. The hell? Okay, people, this is not the September 18th, 2016. Frickin' potatoes. Who the heck repairs walls like that? Just for fun, because I know you guys like to see this. Like, I know something's up. It's too, like, okay, hold on. So I'm definitely gonna have to replace all of this. Oh! Look what I found. There we go.
Here's to never giving up, no matter how hard it is, no matter what surprises you find, even though they're not cool surprises. But sometimes you just need to take a breather, a little woosah, and a little slug. Okay, maybe a big slug. Tobes, I need another one. Okay, love you, bye.